Karachi. Joe Denley with that extraordinary catch just behind point. 5 matches for Karachi. They've only made one change, and that was a 4 roll, says Alim Dar. First ball. I don't know if it's a bad toss to lose, Rambo.
Yeah, the other team, last couple of seasons, they've gelled together. They've defined the roles, and it has worked for them very nicely.
It's, anyway, setting the pace. They can do that, and they can do that very well. They've got a mindset, and you know, getting maybe unknown players or the lesser name players with the stats that work for you.
I remember
a little bit more flight. There's the first through cover, and it's gone for 4. Russell decides.
Yeah, calling Tony Greig there. Sure. 5 for no loss.
Top of the table. Time for Mohammed Sami to show his wares. Exciting super over the other evening.
4 wickets. Yeah, it was superb in that super.
Yeah, and I like the pace he's been able to maintain as an older bowler. He's still very quick.
Yeah, and he swings it still. That's the great thing. He finds that searching length. Ah! Don't worry about swinging it. How about cutting it back through the gut? For Babar Azam for the Kings. Slow this year out of the blocks. That is a delightful piece of timing. First seat up. Yeah, good over. Really good over. It's 10 for 1. Samit Patel, he's into a second over. You've got things underway here in match 15.
You'll see Imad Wasim come and bowl with a new ball for Karachi Kings.
Yeah, boundary, nicely played.
I think that's a better option for Patel, to flight the ball and make him drive, because then he can create that.
Bye. This is our last night here until we come back again on another leg. Oh, an outside edge. He's on the march. And Chadwick's on the slide. Walt them in the nets. And you had to get those right. You want them just... Pretty quiet start. We've had a wicket of Denley knocked over. And a little bit of player miss as well now. Bubba slightly. Wide slip. There's that shorter one. But he's been so impressive, Mohammed Sami, with his length. When he asks you questions and you're stuck on the...
Yes, here in Sharjah. So, but I'm staying at 150. I just think we need to see some better batting.
Yeah, just like that. That's a beautiful cover thing in the last 5 or 6 overs from the batsman.
Just holds it back a little. Yeah, I've been very
to find a way.
And the slip has just been moved, and I reckon that might have gone in between. Asif Ali at slip. It's a shorter one for Manzoor to negotiate. We've had 4 overs here, and it's 20 for a moment, but no, it's still Samit Patel. He's having his 3rd one on the trot, and he's been picked down here to wide mid-wicket on the fence.
He's quite useful when the ball is new. I think he's got to do that. I think he's been just a little bit short at times for my liking.
You don't get any reprieve. You're back. You're out of there. Taking the pads off. That one's been slammed. Nice work in the deep. So
back to about 88 now, but still marked improvement. The catching.
I think it pushes the other teams to be best in this area. I think it's an incentive for the teams to become fielding heroes. That's gone fine away from the fielder. Gets it back. Mohammed Sami there with a good effort. Yeah, he's just bowled a ball.
He's 37 now. Incredible. Can't pierce that offside. To finish 5 now. It's 31 for...
Fahim Ashraf into the attack now. He's a little quicker than you think. Can work up good pace. Hustles in. You've had the best. Wasim Akram with Multan and Waqar Younis with Islamabad.
Yeah, well, you'd want to listen to Waqar Younis. As you said, he's so experienced.
My goodness, Islamabad have got a lot of batting too. I was going to ask you, Baz, I was going to ask Flem, but I'll ask you both. What do you think?
The one thing about Dino as a cricketer, though, in particular batsman, and he was a great one-day batsman.
A few pieces of information on there. It's a very good over. Just 1 run from it. End of the power play. Karachi 32 for 1.